The leaves of my holly shrubs are orange in color. Do I need to be concerned, Miss Suzy? Should I be concerned about that?
Not overly concerned.
Okay.
First, you need to determine, is it really a holly or is it a boxwood?
Yeah.
And the difference is the arrangement on the stem. The holly is alternate. The boxwood is opposite in their placement.
Okay.
And both are great plants, and both of them are susceptible to what's called winter burn. So they recover from it quickly once spring gets here, but over the winter they're a little bit overexposed and they get sunburned. And mine go through that every year, so
do mine.
Don't worry about it, and it'll put out new growth and it'll be fine.
Yeah, I don't even worry about grabbing the pruners. I just wait. It greens up.
Yeah.
It does. Walter, anything to add to that?
No, y'all pretty much have that one covered. You know, yeah.
Okay. But yeah, we definitely want folks to know the difference between the two, though. And I always think box opposite. Box ox is what I go. Opposite leaf arrangement.
I need to remember that.
Yeah, that's how I remember that. Yeah. But it should be fine, so don't worry about that orange color. And it's pretty much, we see it, especially when we have, brutal winters, which we actually had this past winter, I think.
Yeah.
For the most part. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.